how to buy Sapiens AI token. So this token came under the symbol of SPN. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. So one of their updates, as you can see, this pinned post. So if you click on it, you will be able to see that this token it's available for trading on MEXC, Uniswap, and Dix Screener. So if you have an account on it on MEXC, you can go and click on this account, click on this link. Sorry. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, you can sign up with that referral link that I included on the description if you want to benefit from the money and rewards on crypto. So if you want to, so after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do here, just go to this page as you can see, and now you can buy this token. If you click on limit here, you will be able to type how much you want to buy. So after that, you will be able to see how much you will be paying. After that, click on buy SPN and you will buy it on your account. If you click on markets, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to buy with your USDT that you have on your account, and after that click on buy SPN and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy SPN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.